Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make baklava filling. First, select high-quality nuts, typically walnuts or pistachios, for an authentic taste. You'll need about 2 cups of nuts for a standard batch. Next, chop them finely, but avoid overprocessing them into a powder. You want some texture. Then, combine the chopped nuts with a small amount of granulated sugar and a hint of ground cinnamon or cardamom. This simple mixture forms the heart of your delicious baklava. To prepare your perfect baklava filling, start with 2 cups of your chosen nuts, either walnuts or pistachios, ensuring they are finely chopped. Next, measure out 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and add it to the nuts. This provides a subtle sweetness that complements the nutty flavor without overpowering it. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. For a different twist, you could use cardamom instead. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Beyond the basic ingredients, you can elevate your baklava filling with additional flavors. Consider adding a small pinch of ground cloves for an extra layer of aromatic depth. For a brighter, more fragrant profile, a half teaspoon of orange zest or a few drops of rose water can be incorporated. Remember, the goal is to enhance, not overwhelm, the natural nut flavor. Ensure your mixture remains relatively dry to prevent the phyllo dough from becoming soggy during baking. When assembling your baklava, ensure you distribute the nut filling evenly across the phyllo dough layers. Typically, you'll spread a thin layer of nuts every few sheets of phyllo. Press down gently after adding the filling to help it adhere and create a compact structure. This prevents the filling from shifting during baking and ensures each piece has a consistent texture. For more kitchen tips and other great deals, check the description below. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home, you might want to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.